Mrs. Hailin Tablit to be escorted. To be escorted by the man with a big heart, yearning for the good of everybody. The planner, the organizer, the fashion designer for tonight's affair. Ato ito full of air niya. Natibker, nata-air, nasuker. Ay, ano mga kata niya? Ang nasuker. Okay. The outstanding Barangay Kagawad of Cabuluan West, year 2014-2015. Barangay Kagawad, Dencio Olivas. Let's give them a round of applause. Wapon, tagal. Alright. Coming up next is a woman who prepared to create a good name rather than great riches, loving favor rather than silver and gold. The next fairy to walk in the aisles is no other than the fairy godmother, Mrs. Prisca Domingo, together with Kagawad Dencio Olivas. Just stay where you are, ladies and gentlemen. Just do what I command. And this is the first command. Please take a quarter turn to your right now. Alam, hindi na po ni right. Oh, quarter turn to your right. Another turn to your right now. One more turn to your right. And finally, give your best smile and face your audience. Okay. And now, due to public demand, here are the two black fairies. Black lang nga juga udah kakapsat. Two black fairies. The beauty and the Tuliman. Pista no hamot na, pista ka din. Allah, niya kay muto nga kamsa, nagpipintas na ko. The beauty and the beauty and the brain. They bought these two qualities. Yung mga dalawang quality na yun, beauty and the brain. They are both qualified. So, dalawa sila, they are beauty and brain. Okay. And so, now I give the microphone to the two fairies. Yes. Kita kami na mga di kakabsat, isong tungtong ngada. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here they are. Another round of applause to them.
Magyaman kami, Ma'am Belit, pinangayayam mo na kami. Nagkita tanto niya, balayo no bigat.
Umman! Tas lata nag-beauty contest, Mare.
Umaro, tas lang wala si Tati Staran.
Well, turn to your right, kunana ko.
Si Kanto lang mat.
Well, nagdumal daw na niya.
Well, panahon, weather lang. Okay. Good evening, world! Kunana tatay nga niya, di ba ka natatay nga, the world na. So nga, good evening, world! Good evening, Philippines!
Good evening, Ballesteros!
Good evening, Cabuluan!
And good evening, everyone!
Tonight is the night of all nights as we witness young men showcasing their talents and wit as they invade the stage tonight.
Hindi nga rabi kakabsat! Hindi yung maimatangan! Hindi pa nagbabalubal! Dagiti sa nga pulok at maysa nga kakandidatos. Ngagsisinsin itsura ken talugadin. No itsu umuna nga judge. Our first judge is 37 years old, married to Mrs. Virgie Agati, and they are blessed with 2 children, Alvi Hazel Mendoza and Mark Andrew Mendoza. He is a teacher by profession and presently teaching at Cabaritan East Elementary School. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome a round of applause, Mr. Alvin Credo Mendoza.
Medyo lakas-lakasan naman natin yung palakpak natin. Ayan. Nire-reserve nyo ata mamaya. Our second judge is a teacher by profession also. And he is from Pugu, Ballesteros, Cagayan. He graduated as Bachelor of Elementary Education at Cagayan State University, Tuguegarao City. And presently, he is teaching at Pugu Elementary School for 10 years now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to present to you our second judge in the person of Guapong Mr. Jojo Fariñas Romano. Diba?
Kita. Carig Campus with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Physical Education, major in Music, Arts, Physical Education, and Health. He has an eye of beauty and fashion, a beauty titleist holder during his younger years. He is a teacher and a faculty member of Ballesteros National High School, a dancer and a choreographer. Let's welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Chrisley U. Vidal.
Finished Bachelor of Science in Commerce with units in BS in Secondary Education. He also finished Master of Business Administration at University of St. Louis, Tuguegarao City, and currently enrolled in 2 doctoral programs, Doctor in Business Administration at University of St. Louis, Tuguegarao, and Doctor in Philosophy at La Salle University, Santiago City. At present, he is the Dean and Assistant Principal for Academics at Quezon Colleges of the North, and he is also an accredited assessors under TESDA. Ladies and gentlemen, soon to be a doctor, let's welcome Mr. Arden Aleste.
Major in Management at Cagayan Colleges, Tuguegarao. He is currently enrolled Masters in Public Administration at Isabela State University at Tiague Isabela Campus. At present, he is one of the best Sangguniang Bayan of Ballesteros, and he will act as a chairman of the board. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Honorable Sangguniang Bayan Member Loren O. Bonifacio.
There you have our kasamang sigawan!
Ayan!
Yan, gusto na talaga nila. Ayaw nila tayong magrampa.
Wow, madida kayat.
Baka napilpilin ang dalawa. O, maraminan dan.
Wow, kaya daging madida ka talaga.
Contestants, ready na kayo? Yes. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the searches for tonight in search of Mr. Kabulan West 2015. Here they are in their production number. The judges will now choose the best performer in production number.
Wow! Ang abs! Wow! Oho, nag-iinit, nag-iinit!
Hammer na!
Lahat ay sumayaw, sige walang titigil. Halina't magsaya, sige walang pipigil. Tayo'y sabay-sabay, itaas na ang kamay. Lahat ay sumayaw, sige walang titigil.
Good evening everyone, Samuel Pablo 16 representing West Toda. Thank you.
Walang titigil, halina't magsaya, sige walang pipigil. Tayo'y sabay-sabay, itaas na ang kamay. Lahat ay sumayaw, sige walang titigil. Nanaes, mula na araw ng masaya, tara-tara sumayaw na magpasigla. Hindi mahalaga anong suot ka hanggang, so dali-dalihan mo na. Sige tayo na party-party, para ang lahat ay happy-happy. Kahit na anong problema pa, isayaw mo lang sabayan pa ng ngiti. Right pa! Sige, sige! Sumayaw ka na! Sige, sige!
Good evening, everyone. King Dominic Domingo, 16, representing Jeepneys and Vans.
Halina't magsaya, sige walang pipigil. Tayo'y sabay-sabay, itaas na ang kamay. Nanaes, mula na araw ng masaya, tara sumayaw na magpasigla. Hindi mahalaga anong suot ka hanggang, so dali-dalihan mo na. Sige tayo na party-party, para ang lahat ay
evening to everyone. My name is Francis Ian Eirabaha, 18 years old, and I believe that hard working is better than talent when talent doesn't work hard. All things are possible. Kas kung natin iti pagsasawit ni Ilocano, kung sino ti makaanos, iso ti makagunod. Again, thank you. Again, thank you everyone. And I'm Francis Ian Eirabaha, representing Groceries.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Nico L. Tagiwang, 18, representing Barangay Council. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone. I am Daniel Pablo, 17, representing Grains and Cereal. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Standing in front of you, Stephen John Martin, 19, representing the Department of Education.
Good evening everyone. I'm Christopher Umla, 16, representing Sari Sari Store. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Jay Warren Acosta, 16, representing NGO. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Michael Jan Pablo, 16, representing Youngsters of Cabolan West. Thank you.
Exquisite evening, everyone. This is April J.T. Garcia, 19, representing Ballesteros District Hospital.
Masaya, sige, walang pipigil, tayo sabay-sabay. Mula ng araw ng masaya, tara-tara sumayaw na pampasigla. Hindi mahalaga anong suot, kahit na gusto, dali-dalihan mo na. Sige tayo na pa-party-party, para ang lahat ay happy-happy. Kahit na anong problema pa, sa'yo walang sabayan pa ng ngiti. Sige, sige, sumayaw ka na. Sige, sige, sumakay ka na.
Good evening, everyone. Angelio Cabalto, 17, representing farmers and fishermen. Thank you.
Walang titigil, halina't magsaya, sige, walang pipigil. Sige tayo na pa-party-party, para ang lahat ay happy-happy. Kahit na anong problema pa, sa'yo walang sabayan pa ng ngiti.
sa uling pagkakataon, kayo'y titignan ng ating mga hurado at manonood. A quarter turn to your right now. Another turn to your right now. Another quarter turn to your right now. And finally, face the audience. In their casual wear. So thank you, candidates. You may now go back.
Ganon din yung nasa fiesta. Cookies ni mais. Ano to? Abisinyo. Sukol na. Parang warrior ang skin. Warrior. Let's welcome number 4. Ay, dapat sila tayo na.
Diba?
Kailangan na ito lumabas. Ay, nakataman. Talaga nga ako ah.
Sa Magellan.
Nabuhay!
Si Magellan.
Lapu-lapu ah. Lapu-ti kwamos niya.
Lapu-ti.
Lapu-mati parehasa sa kataman. Yan, yan. Nating creative ba tayo?
Ano, niya kang lubog na lang.
Oo, basta Chinese. Ajine, giggaran na.
Wow.
Tabing-tabing.
Tapos ko doon ipapakita di matada kasi dyan.
Ay, siguro may pagka-Chinese ito. Kasi singkit eh.
Oh, singkit ang mata.
Siguro nga. Aha. Parang ano naman ito, may pakpak. Ipil-ipil. Ipil-ipil lips.
Tapos, tansan na dyan. Tansan soy.
Ay, mamagat
Uno, G.
Na ganyan. Pwede, di ba? Pwede.
Pwede.
Yes. Tetrapack ng juice. Straw.
Data pinungkurat na aja ko aja nagpungunan dati aja pagpungungan dati ah
Mr. Romeo Manalang, Mr. and Mrs. William Ortablet Sr., Mrs. Martina Gonzalez, Mrs. Evelyn Rivera, and Mr. Jerry Ortega.
And we would like also to thank to the donors of the trophy. Mr. Reynante Rimboren family, Mr. and Mrs. Silvestre Corpus, Mr. and Mrs. Chino Artates, Mr. Sammy Tango, Mr. and Mrs. Angelo Tablit II, Mr. and Mrs. Raymond Tablit, and Miss Nita Aragosa.
Also to Mr. Chris Lividad, Mr. Alvin Mendoza, Mr. Jojo Romano,